Hello everyone. In this question it is given there when potential difference of 120 volt is applied across the hair dryer, then 7.5 ampere current is flowing through it. In the first part we have to find what is the resistance of hair dryer, and in second part we have to calculate how much charge will flow through it in the time interval of 15 minutes, that is 900 seconds. Solution for part A: we apply the Ohm's law because it is a ohmic conductor. So applied potential difference is equal to current into resistance. So resistance will be, now substitute the value. So the resistance of hair dryer will be 16 ohm. In second part we have to calculate the charge flowing through it in the time interval of 900 seconds. So charge flowing through it is current into time interval. Current is 7.5 ampere and time interval is 900 seconds. So total charge flowing through it 6.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 coulomb. So this is the answer for this problem.